The stock market is a powerful tool for building wealth over time through investing in stocks. Investing in the right stocks can lead to significant returns. A list of best stocks to buy now is provided, poised for future growth and returns. To make share trading less stressful for beginners, choose a trading style like swing trading or position trading. Conduct thorough research on shares, trading platforms, and strategies. Start with a small investment and gradually increase as experience grows. Set achievable goals and manage risk using techniques like stop-loss orders and diversification. Take breaks when feeling overwhelmed and ensure trading remains enjoyable. Creating an additional income stream through share trading in just 2 hours a week is possible. Focus on high-quality shares with growth potential. Use stop-loss orders to protect profits and limit losses. Diversify the portfolio to spread risk. Additional resources for information on share trading are listed. A disclaimer about the educational nature of recommendations and the need for financial advisor advice is provided.